People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Steven. The staff was very friendly and service was completed quickly. Sunset has always provided great service. And here's Jason. Dawn in the service department is a rock star. She is very good at communicating and follows up in a timely manner on the things she says she will do. I highly recommend going to see them with your service and warranty needs. Only place I will bring my business. Next up is Mark. Great customer service. Definitely recommend if you want an overall great buying experience. Thank you. Finally, here's Brenda. Our salesman Caesar was patient and knowledgeable, not pushy. Both him and the finance manager stayed way after close to complete the sale.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.